Now, what about if you have a type 2 concentration? How do you determine the amount of solute? Well, just multiply the known concentration by either the amount of solvent or solution, depending on which one you use in the definition of the concentration. So, for example, molality, that's moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. You multiply that by the kilogram of solvent, that gives you moles of solute. Okay. If you have a mole fraction, whatever the mole fraction is, multiplied by the total moles, okay, that gives you moles of component. Remember, mole fraction of A, for example, is moles of A over moles total. So if you multiply total moles by the mole fraction of A, that will give you the number of moles of A. Grams of solute, whatever grams of solution you have, just multiply that by the percentage, the mass percent. Okay? If you want if you're given the ppm, okay, ppm, if you remember, is milligram of solute per kilogram of solution. So you multiply that by kilogram of solution, that will give you milligrams of solute. And ppb, if you recall, is micrograms per kilogram, okay, of solution. So you multiply that by kilograms of solution, that will give you micrograms of solute. Here's an example. Solution was prepared by mixing 2 grams of an unknown compound with 20 grams of water. And then let's say you did an experiment and you found that the molality of the unknown aqueous solution is found to be 0.5 moles per kilogram. How many moles of solute are in the sample? Okay, so we're given molality. So 0.50 moles of solute per kilogram of solution solvent. Okay, how many kilograms of solvent do we have? That's 20 grams of water. So let's change that to kilograms. 20.0 grams of water, our solvent, times 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Grams cancel out, kilograms cancel out. That gives you moles of solute. Okay, so this is moles of solute. And that's going to be half of 20, that's 10, divided by 1,000, that should be 0.01. Let's just make sure. 0.5 times 20, divided by 1,000, 0.01. Okay, so this is going to be 0.01. 2 sig figs, 3 sig figs, so I need 2 sig figs here, 0.010 mole. Okay, so the correct answer here is B. Now, it's a follow-up question. What's the molar mass of this unknown compound? What's molar mass? Grams per mole, right? Molar mass is the mass of a mole. So anything per mole would be grams over moles. Okay? So how many grams do we have? We're given 2 grams of your unknown compound. So 2.00 grams divided by number of moles. We just figured out our number of moles of our compound. Our solute is 0.010 mole. So that should give us 2 divided by 0.01, 200. 200 grams per mole. Number of sig figs, 3 sig figs, 2 sig figs, so this should have 2 sig figs. So it's best to write this as 2.0 times 10 to the 2 grams per mole. That would be the molar mass of your compound.